Hello friends, welcome back to my another video for A1 level beginners. So we will be doing time lesson. For that you have to pay attention till last minute. So let's start without any delay.
Okay, before starting, let's take a look at some. Here are some words. Stead means hours, secundal means second, and protocol means minutes. So let's start for further. In this video, first of all, we'll start from official time. So let's go. Usually, we are asked the question wherever we are, like we are in a market or in a school or anywhere, that what is time? And in German, we say wie viel Uhr ist es? And another form is wie spät ist es? And here are some answers. Es ist 2 Uhr. It is 2 a.m. As you can see. Another one is Es ist 3 Uhr. It is 3 a.m. Es ist 4 Uhr. It is 4 a.m. As you can see. Next one is Es ist 5 Uhr. It is 5 a.m. And another one is Es ist 6 Uhr. It is 6 a.m. Es ist 7 Uhr. It is 7 a.m. Es ist 10 Uhr. It is 10 a.m. Es ist 12 Uhr. It is 12 p.m. Now make sure the timing has been changed. Es ist 13 Uhr. It is 1 p.m. Not a.m. It's p.m. Es ist 20 Uhr. It is 8 p.m. Guys, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, so please subscribe and don't forget to like, share and comment. Okay, so proceed for the last one. Es ist 10 Uhr. It is 10 p.m. So thanks for watching, guys. In next video we will be talking about unofficial Zeit. It means unofficial time.